Hi, today we'll have a look at the home automation system that I've developed. We have an array of 4 LEDs and corresponding to it we have 4 physical switches. Okay. And we'll use the web application that I have developed to use the system. We log in as the admin user from the mobile phone and as a member from the desktop. Okay, let's log in as an admin from the mobile. Okay, so we are in the system as an admin from the cell phone. As you can see that we can see the 4 LEDs on the desktop and on the phone as well. Okay, so now we'll switch on the first light and see its effect on the real LEDs. As we can see that on clicking the first image over here, the first LED has glowed and the status of that LED can be seen that has been updated on the phone also and on the desktop too. Now we'll switch on the second LED. We can see that the second LED has glowed now. Number 3. Yes, the number 3 LED has glowed and the number 4 too. As we can see, the status of all the 4 LEDs can be seen on the desktop too. Okay, now we'll go forward and have a look at the mood settings that we can make. Okay, we already have 5 buttons here. We'll press on the first one and see what effect it has on the LEDs. Okay, the first button which we had, as you can see, is room 1, which will toggle the lights 1, 2 and 3, which it has done. We'll click it again and see it switch on again. A bit late response. We'll click on the second button, which will toggle the first and the second LEDs. Okay, here you can see the first and the second LEDs have gone out and the third and the fourth LEDs are on. Okay, now we'll add a new button and see how we can add a new button. Okay, we are making a button in room 1 which will toggle all the 4 LEDs, as you can see, and we can name the group button also. We'll name it as room 1 _ 1 2 3 4, which denotes that all the 4 LEDs will be toggled on pressing it. Okay, so on pressing done, the group button will be added. We'll switch off all the remaining LEDs. All are out. Okay, now we can see that a new button, room 1 _ 1 2 3 4, which was not there previously, has been added to this list. Now we'll click on it and see its effect. As you can see, all the 4 LEDs have glowed on pressing the group button and the status of all the 4 has reflected on the desktop too. We'll again switch it off. We can see again that the status has updated on the desktop and all the 4 LEDs have gone out. Okay, now we'll test the external switches. Here we have switched on the first, the third and the fourth LEDs. We can see that the corresponding LEDs have glown on the desktop too. We see that all the 4 LEDs have glown, and on the phone too. Thank you for having the patience to watch through the video. Hopefully you like the system that we've developed. Thank you.